Making me very proud. Why don't you do a little brushing at the top of it? You know. Oh, my lady. One other little contour on this other part. Yeah, on the forehead. Okay. Yeah. I'm from my diva. This is actually very nice. So please, guys, pace up, pace up, pace up, pace up, pace up, pace up, pace up. Aww, this is actually nice. A high five. When I say mosquito,
when
I say mosquito, so guys, in 5 minutes, you all are gonna be eating the steak real hard. You're gonna eat it like bam, 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 and that's where your final appearances. Okay, so have this at the back of your mind. You need to go out there and represent your country like never before. Make your country proud. Above all, make yourselves proud. What did I say? Make yourself proud. When I say mosquito,
woman asashi.
O'Shea.
Bye.
So I'll see you guys in 5 minutes. So hurry up, please. Hurry up, hurry up.
Shango magba o, Shango magba o. Round of applause for them, please. Well, I believe that was a wonderful performance, and they merit a superior and, of course, a resounding adulation. Please give it up to them, man. Bless your heart. Well, the much anticipated time is finally here, and I shall call on the contestants in no particular order. Joining me on stage tonight is contestant number 1. She is a graduate of Economics, Bambila University. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Zimbabwe. Come on, give it up to her, give it up to her, celebrate. And contestant number 2 is a student and a model, Miss Kenya. Come on, give it up to her, give it up to her, celebrate. Contestant number 3, a fashionista and a runway model, Miss Ghana. Well, blackness is not lackness, people. That we are black doesn't make us lack. Ladies and gentlemen, the next contestant is an air hostess and international model. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss South Africa. And of course, the next contestant number 5, is a medical doctor and aspiring model, Miss Nigeria. Paragon of beauty. Paragon of beauty.
Ajia. 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 Ajia, please come. Come and see Auntie Zainab in the celly.
Miss.
Who? Oh, my girl. Oh, this is beautiful.
Paragon of beauty.
Very beautiful.
Hello?
Sana Alaji. Salam alaikum.
How are you?
Where are you? Your daughter is on television.
Look, I am not interested.
Haba, Alaji. Haba.
If she like, let her become Miss World. I am not interested.
Oh, Alaji.
What she has done is against my faith, is against my religion.
What she's doing is not haram. It's not haram.
Tell me, how can a young girl just be going around parading herself naked on stage before the eyes of the whole world? Habakorum.
We should try and encourage her once in a while.
No. It is totally unacceptable to me. It is unacceptable. Very, very unacceptable. I will not accept it. That's a business. If she let her be Missy, let her even be whatever, I don't know, Missy 8, whatever. I am not interested.
So. Badamwa. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss.
Allah Sariki.
Thank you.
Nagode. Masalam. Yeah, Amen.
Young, bye.
My princess.
And contestant number 6, a student, Miss Togo. The next contestant number 7. I'm not expecting anything less from this contestant because she is a runway model. Miss Congo. And contestant number 8 is a photographer and social media journalist. Miss Cameroon. Well, without much ado, the final contestant tonight, contestant number 15. She is a dance instructor. I love to dance. I'm sure Africa loves to dance. Miss Liberia. Indeed, Africa is blessed with beautiful women. I must say, paragon of beauty tonight. These ones have not just displayed beauty tonight, they've also made difficult the task of the judges tonight. With their beauty, because they've not just got beauty, they got beauty and brain. Now the much anticipated time is finally here. Kindly step forward once you hear your name. Taking on to the position of the third runner-up tonight for the African Queen Diaspora 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Zimbabwe. Well, congratulations. If there is anywhere to be in the world, you should surely come to Africa. We don't just have the best food, we have beautiful and best women around. Taking on to the position of the second runner-up tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Cameroon. And the first runner-up for the 2018 edition of African Queen Diaspora 2018, like I mentioned earlier. Ladies and gentlemen, if your hands are not too busy, with standing ovation, give it up to the paragon of beauty, Miss Ghana! Now, the shot of the moment we've all been waiting for, announcing the winner of African Queen Diaspora. Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, before I announce that, I must say thank you to our partners and sponsors across Africa, all media partners and those who have made this show possible for us this year. Well, announcing that winner to you, the most beautiful woman in Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, with standing ovation, to celebrate Miss Nigeria! Well, never mind the Queen making my shortcoming so obvious on the show tonight. Yes, that's how we have it. Well, that's how we round it up on this year's edition of African Queen Diaspora. Yes, until we come your way again next year, thanks to all our sponsors and our partners across Africa. My name is Lanre Adejiwura, and I say good evening.
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Hi.
I'm Mr. right?
Yeah.
All your experience coming down to Nigeria?
Oh, Nigeria is such a wonderful place to be.
Great.
And in fact, I am planning on coming back to learn and hopefully invest in this country because I believe the land is full of opportunities. From the little I have gathered about her.
Wow, that sounds so pretty good. So very much.
You're welcome.
And have you seen the African queen? Is she in the bus?
Oh, here she comes.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Stay safe.
You too. Bye.
Yeah, my baby, shine on my
Hello,
baby.
congratulations.
Yeah, this is our African queen. Shine on, baby.
All right, congratulations once again. Thank you. So can we interview you?
Oh, just chill.
Right.
Just chill.
Move it! Move! Keep quiet! Keep quiet! Shut the fuck up! Oh my God! Keep quiet! Shut the fuck up!
Dasuki, the daughter of the Minister of Petroleum, who won the just concluded African Queen pageant held yesterday in Lagos, Nigeria. The kidnappers, who presented themselves as journalists, were set to lay ambush only to kidnap Ms. Zainab, the newly crowned African Queen, for a yet-to-be-known reason. Stay tuned with us for updates.
Sir.
Yes, can I help you?
Your TV is not on, sir.
How about Brenda? It is a Monday morning. It's too early to be watching television. Is that why you came to see me? Come, I thought I gave you some assignment to do. Are you done with it? You're talking about television. What is the matter? Hello? Yes? What? Subhanallah. Were you? What? Who? What you? My Zainab? Why?
Your daughter, sir, that is exactly what I came to. That was what I was saying.
Get out of my office. Just get out of my office now.
Sorry, sir.
Why you, Allah? Wow. Inspector, Commissioner of Police. Wait. Fake.
Man, we're gonna hit a real big this time. I want it. This is how we roll. What's going on, bro? What's good, DJ?
Shut up! Shut up!
How they do you?
And people never do. They no call.
I say how they do you? Water or vodka?
Water, please, don't kill me. Hey, you're not going to die, okay? Because we don't kill people. Just look, your people are wicked, though. How much did we ask for?
Chicken change. Come on.
Eh? They can't even spare to save your life. See? You're better off dead, man. This guy doesn't know what's up.
To Allah, please let me go. Don't do this to me.
Shut up. You're going to be fine, eh? Prepare the VIP treatment for her. She's Ajabo. I don't want to miss home too much. Let's go. You will die, oh. You. I don't kill people, but I'll kill you if they don't pay. You see.
Sarah dead. That's so, Baba.
Huh?
It is no longer news that Zainab Dasuki, daughter of the petroleum minister, was kidnapped by hoodlums pretending to be pressmen. The search for this girl and the hoodlums started immediately the information got to us. And we want to assure you, we promise you here, that these hoodlums will be fished out and the girl rescued as soon as possible. We make this promise to you because it is our duty. And we are going to get these hoodlums. Thank you very much.
Hey, Jackson. So as pretty as you are now, all your parents could offer for your release is 10 million.
Eh?
Naira or dollar?
So cheap. Oh my God.
All right, wait, chill. Madam, let's get to the reason why we're here, okay? Look at me. Look at me. Obviously, you know we are no friends. The only reason we're here is so we can extort money from your parents. Theft. Kajiko? Kajiko?
She should be Hausa.
Kajiko? Say we. We.
No, French.
You two, you're laughing. Your people don't forget it for you.
And then you go die.
Anyway, so tell us, how much do you think your father can pay for the release of his precious daughter? Wait, before you answer. Consider the fact that your father is the Minister of Petroleum.
Yeah.
Have you?
Damn.
He has chains of businesses.
Correct.
And he has a cluster of foreign accounts.
Answer now.
You know what? Answer. Look at her. Look at
Tell me, Amaka, why, Jackson?
Are you alright?
Take it easy now.
No, you don't need
What's he do this boy?
Take it easy now.
Are you alright?
Calm down.
How dare you? Is he mad? Sure.
But no be so.
I don't vex. Sorry.
Guys, please, you need to take things easy. We don't need this now, I beg. At least not now.
Jackson, I know you're crazy, but I need to talk to you about your temperament. It's getting out of hand, trust me, for real. You need to calm down, honestly, okay? Okay?
Anako. Who cares?
And can someone tell me why is Jackson always mad?
Let it freaking go!
Stop this.
Come on, man. Bullshit. So what's that your name again? You don't deserve this food. I'm just giving it to you. African Queen. This is your portion.
I'm not hungry. Besides, how do I eat with my hands?
However, whatever. Help yourself.
I think I've met you somewhere.
Can I help you with this?
Oh, no, thanks a bunch.
But you should have used a shopping cart.
Oh my God, don't mind me. I can be so clumsy at times.
Well, I understand. So can I help you to your car?
Don't worry. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Don't mention.
Please let me. My mom always tells me that gratitude makes sense of our past, bring peace for today, and create a vision for tomorrow. I say gratitude unlocks the fullness of life.
Wow, that's interesting. So, and as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is never to all the words, but to live by those words.
Sure. Thanks again.
So somebody look like me now, missing and me be the person. I won't forget to.
I'm very sure this is not you. Behind this bold and fiery face is a soft and caring heart. You're not like them. I know you can stand to see any woman hurt. Please, take me away from here. I know you will regret it, trust me.
darkness we're searching for the light. Walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong.
Yes, yes. Though my men have given me a report of the case and I've read your statement.
Yes, sir.
But I would really appreciate it if you do not withhold any information from us. We want you to help us in this investigation, okay?
Yes, yes, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
I don't tell your boys all what is happened. Yes, can I help you?
Baba, I feel use you.
Use me. I be woman.
Baba, I feel use your car.
Hey, that is what you can say. You not be gay now.
I know, right. So, I dey go Ogere.
Ogere?
Yeah.
For shatter?
Yes.
Okay. How much you want pay?
Baba, okay, I'll give you 20,000.
For how many hours?
Baba, how long will it take you to get to Ogere? That's where I'm going.
I'm working with hour. For 1 hour, it's 20,000 for 1 hour.
Baba, it will not take you more than 1 hour to get to Ogere. Let's go.
You won't use AC?
You go use AC now, Baba.
If you won't use AC, you go pay 22,000 last.
Baba, no worry, they go. I don't get.
No problem. Come.
Baba, this now morning, no, me, I don't get time now.
Tell me it's money.
Make her come inside.
Come inside.
Baba, this now morning, time not day.
You go pay deposit too.
I don't get too much cash here. Look, I check what's in there. This now 15,000. So what we go do be say you will go ATM first. We'll collect the money, then we'll go get it.
Now 15 be this.
Now 15,000.
Okay. I will check.
I'm on the way. Those people just crossed me at the gunpoint. Snatch the car, take me inside and carry me away. I don't know where they carry me safe.
Baba, I realize I go like PO. Reach from the make we around.
You want you use yourself?
Myself, exactly.
Okay.
If you stop here, make I just run, ease myself. Okay.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. I come over.
Okay. Make quick, oh.
Get out.
Sorry!
Come.
Okay.
No! Don't come out.
I know. Sorry. Okay, I beg.
That is why I go to police station, report all what is happened, and then tell me say they don't transfer case to headquarters Lagos here.
Wait. This is the thing that you told my men. And this is what is written in your statement. You can't keep repeating yourself.
Ṣé ń wàá purọ́ ohun tí ó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni àwọn ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ nu o. I tell you, they have never given me my car. Your boss didn't release my...
Okay, you can go. But we'll call you back if we need to ask you any further questions. Okay?
You have never really released my car.
Yes. Until we get to the bottom of this case, we will not release that car.
Èmi mo ní. Ẹ̀yin ọlọ́pàá tó ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ nu o.
It's all right. You can go. And we will call you if we need to ask you further questions. You hear me? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, officer. And why do you plan on releasing his vehicle when my daughter has not been found?
Please calm down, sir.
Don't tell me to calm down. Wallahi, don't tell me to calm down. I am not very impressed with the situation on ground. Yeah? Look, what kind of a security situation do we have in this country? What kind of stupid security do we have? Very poor, very sad.
Excuse me, sir. Please.
Who is this one?
Yes, sir.
Look, get out, my
Come on, get out of this place.
Get outside! Get!
Yes, sir.
Sir, please, take it easy.
Don't take it easy or to calm down. Can I now go? What kind of a nonsense is this? My daughter's life is on the line and you expect me to just hold my arms and just be watching? Huh? From the look of it, it is very, very obvious that you guys are incapable of doing anything.
Please be calm, sir.
I said don't tell me to calm down. Wallahi, don't tell me to calm down. Obviously, your best is not good enough. And I am going to see the IG if you guys are incapable of doing anything. Okay. I give you 24 hours. 24 hours to look over my daughter. Mbashiba wallahi neither had the coup. Have a good day.
Sergeant!
Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong, and though we fall, we'll fight until we see the light. We'll sing the victory song again. Somewhere in the dark.
Willie! Willie! Where's the girl? There. Let's go find her. Stay down. Matt. Huh. So you will betray your own people, huh? All because of some ass. Move. Move!
Hey, baby.
Yahoo! They go on them.
Sure, see your guy. You see your life? Huh? You're a backstabber. Traitor. Shame. Shame on you. See your boyfriend? Huh?
Please let me go. To Allah, please. Why are you doing this? Would you start again at this?
Yeah, baby. Oh, baby, Kudi in your language. Ego Okwasa. You know, money where they fear.
Please. Allah, please.
Allah.
Let me go. My mommy will be worried sick.
If your mom was worried sick, then she will pay the ransom. Mad.
Please.
Women. See what woman do. Yeah?
Let me go, please.
My guy, a woman.
I promise. Allah, I'll give you anything.
Be quiet. I'm going to bed. If you wake me up, I swear. Hey, be quiet. I want to sleep. I'm going to bed.
Cry, please. Hey.
Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong, and though we fall, we'll fight until we see the light. We'll sing the victory song again. Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to fly.
Why are there more?
What?
The network.
Zainab, in a thick forest like this, what do you expect? A bad reception? Come on.
Bad reception. Okay.
Don't even start, please. I need all the strength you can exhibit. You have to be strong. For me. For yourself. And for your parents, please.
Hey.
It's okay, it's okay. It's alright. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine.
Calm down, Alaji. Everything's under control. I've already spoke with my uncle in the military, and they promised me they find something done ASAP.
I hope they do something in earnest.
They know my wife to be is involved.
They know your wife to be is involved? Huh? So how come it took you so long a time for you to arrive when you heard that your fiancé was kidnapped?
It was not like that, sir. I was writing an exam, and I sent you several mails. None was replied.
Matthew, I know that you were lured into this game without your wish. But you must promise me never to indulge or go back to these guys.
You know, walking away from a problem is sometimes not the solution in solving them. But anyway, I've thought about it time and time again, and my mind is made. I'm literally done with those guys.
Hey!
What happened?
Hey! The phone just beeped off network.
Are you serious?
Yes!
Let's try to make a call.
Oh, but the battery is drastically dropping in strength. Let me try my dad. Hey! It's ringing! It's ringing!
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Zainab?
Sanu Baba! Hey!
Zainab, is that you?
Zainab! Hey! Akoida mwaso se papa.
Yeah? I hope they didn't do anything to you. Where are you?
I don't know this place, but we are in a thick forest.
I can't hear you. What?
Hello? Hello? Papa, can you hear me?
The line is breaking.
Yes. Okay, you know what? Can you remember that Find a Phone app I installed in your phone? Look for it. Yes. It can trace and locate where we are. Do you know how to use it? Can you remember? Papa, I want you to speak with Matthew.
Matthew? Who is Matthew?
He can give you a description of this place. Hold on, please. Matthew, talk to me.
I'm a friend, sir.
You have a friend?
We are actually in a thick bush around the Ogun River.
Ogun River? Okay. Nagode. Okay. Tap.
Somewhere in the darkness.
Matthew, how do I say thank you? You have been of tremendous help to me. I really appreciate you. I'm so grateful.
Come on, Zainab. You don't have to. Come on.
I have to. My mom do tell me that gratitude makes sense of our past, bring peace for today, and create a vision for tomorrow. And I always say gratitude
unlocks the fullness of life. Maybe that's why our path crossed again.
You remembered? Really?
Yes, really. You see, I lied to you the other time that I wasn't the guy at the store. I am that same guy. I fancied you that very day on that spot. I remembered you. I recognized you immediately I saw you again. And I fell in love with you. Any wonder why I protected you from Jackson's attack?
Matthew, I really appreciate you. I love you.
You're so full of gratitude, my African queen. But as we express our gratitude, we must never forget that the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to live by them.
Say no more.
Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong. Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong.
We are here! We are here! We are here!
Footprints? Jackson, huh? Come. I think he's around here. See that? Yeah. The bastard is around. Matt. Matt, you go feel wrong, but you no go feel high though. But I will find you and I will get you. Yeah. Sure. Look like his skull. Come. Footprints. Bastard.
Hello? Aisha?
Sanu Alhaji.
Ta. Ai to sai ki same ni a gun.
Menene Alhaji?
Ta. I will send my driver to come and pick you up. To gashi nan hanya yana zuwa. Ta sai mun haɗu. Ba laifi.
Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Allah. Wayo Allah.
Hajiya, menene?
Subhanallah. Allah sarki.
Hajiya,
Allah sarki.
menene?
Allah sarki. Allah.
Gosh. What again, Zainab?
The battery is flat.
Don't worry, we'll be fine. Everything will be okay.
Everything cannot be okay. It's only me. Why is this happening?
It's alright, you don't have to cry. We'll be fine. It's alright, it's alright. We're gonna be fine.
We're gonna be fine.
It's alright.
I want to go home.
It's alright, you're going home. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's alright.
Gentlemen,
Move. You are good.
No, don't arrest him. It's my friend. He saved me. Dad,
You spoke to Max. Can you remember?
No problem, but let the law take its course.
Oh.
Yeah?
This way. Thank you. Thanks for sitting up.
Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light, walking down this lonely road, wish we could take to flight. And so it goes, the darkness grows so strong, and though we fall, we'll fight until we see the light. We'll sing the victory song again. Somewhere in the darkness we're searching for the light.